Hey, it's Kevin and Louisa with the Pewter Palace, and this afternoon we have been working on the supports for our rear rock guard. Kevin's going to step you through the project.
All right. These are the original mountings for the Zipty that was on the trailer, so we left them. The other one came down with a fabric hook onto here. So we reused these. I had these aluminum from totes, you know, the 275-gallon totes you see, square for paint chemicals. So I took those, crushed them down.
So a repurpose.
Repurposed. Yep. Nice. They're all aluminum, and they're heavy duty. So I just put them in the vise and crushed them down.
Yep.
You know, and I haven't polished them up.
And crushed them down here.
And I use the nylon washers, little clamps here.
Yeah, he's going to buff them out so they get not shiny, but just
a little bit cleaner.
Of the oxidation.
I didn't want to do the work. And then these were original on the rock guard, and they would be hooked up so you could mount your quick connect underneath, on the side or underneath it. Yeah. So we reused them.
Understand, this is a front rock guard that we have repurposed. We had it tough coated, the bed liner spray.
Bed liner on the top and underneath.
Repurposed it for
Very
the
heavy.
back. Now, when this rock guard is put back down, these stationary bars come off completely.
Yeah.
And the rock guard, this hardware,
Right
latches back into the Zipty here, and we do zip tie that. Yeah. We don't have other latches for it.
You know.
Okay. And you also set that one bolt in permanently, right?
Yes.
With a lock nut.
Lock nut on this side, so this just like this here.
It stays there. Yeah.
These quick.
And that's not going to impede putting it into the Zipty, the hardware on the body.
Like this.
Right, but I mean, when you deploy it down, you'll just put the zip tie through.
What will happen here is we're going to mount, because this piece here sits on top of here.
Oh, that's right.
So I'm going to have an angle come down. Come down with a hook. So angle like this. This.
Okay.
This will be mounted
You
there.
gotta turn it around so we can see what it is. All right. Oh, angle. It raises, yeah.
And it's going to come through here onto my metal. That comes down. That hook is be adjustable. When it comes down, it's slid in here. Then I'll just slide these back in again.
Oh, great.
I'll just go on the inside there.
Yep.
And that's just adjustable.
Super. Okay. You can see we did reinforce. We put some extra reinforcing on this rock guard when we repaired it. We do have videos and a Facebook blog on that. We'll have a article on our blog at some point, but Facebook, you can see that project was done before we left, actually, New York State. And also a nice little, instead of just the metal wing nut, that nice little plastic, and it's got the shaft inside, the screw shaft inside.
Just a 1/4 inch.
It's easier on the fingers.
Yeah.
So that's our rear rock guard support. Obviously, yeah, I mean, it does not move. It's much sturdier than the slide out type of arms that you would that we have on our front. We are going to make a set of these for the front. We're also going to make a short set for back here, because this is our rear bedroom. And we thought we'd make a short 10-inch set so that the rock guard is just open enough that we can fully open our jalousie windows to get nice ventilation through. But complete privacy.
If we're doing it overnight somewhere real quick, airflow, not a problem.
Yeah, or if the weather's not,
it just gets stored right down in here.
Right. Yep. We're going to store the arms
nylon bag
down in there.
And just quickly put them up, and we're done.
So that's our project. Yay. Good engineering, Kev.
Yep.
As always. All right, it's the Pewter Palace. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and we'll see you again soon.